Standard First English Medium Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 19. Let's add. Children, you are introduced to numbers 1 to 9 very nicely. Correct? Yes. Now we learn how to use numbers in our daily life. Meena has 2 dolls and Reema has 4 dolls. Then how many they are in total? For that, Meena's 2 dolls and Reema's 4 dolls, add these two numbers. It means count both numbers together. Count 4 fingers after number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 dolls together. To add two numbers, plus sign is used. This sign is called as plus. The sign equal to shows equality. It is read as is equal to. It means 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. As shown in the textbook, Rama has 1 block and Yash has 1 block. They together have 2 blocks. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Combined all numbers together means add. 2 tops plus 1 top is equal to 3. 3 lollipops plus 2 lollipops is equal to 5 lollipops. 4 books plus 2 books is equal to 6 books.